Every year, more than 240 million calls reach the 911 centers across the United States. Each one carries a sense of urgency requiring fast, effective response from the people trained to deliver it. But these systems, the professionals depend on, they were built for a different era.
The technology that you have in your cell phone is not the technology that you sometimes always have in our traditional 911. We've been talking about next generation 911 for 20, 25 years, and yet most of the calls delivered to this center right now are still on copper lines and using that 1960s, 1970s technology. Many of the technologies that we're going to talk about have been in healthcare, have been in banking, and have been in airlines for 5, 10, 15 years, and it's just now coming to the 911 space.
This isn't isolated to one city or one state. From rural counties running a single console to major metro areas fielding thousands of calls a day, the pressure is everywhere. Telecommunicators are the true first responders, operating in high-pressure environments where call volumes are rising and systems are often strained. Out of this pressure, a new kind of support is emerging inside these centers: artificial intelligence. And when people hear the word AI in the same sentence as 911, they want to know how it can make a difference. It can triage non-emergency calls, translate over 170 languages, and transcribe every word in real time, giving dispatchers the space to focus on what matters most.
My hope is that we can create a work environment for our 911 professionals that is less stressful, less clicks, less typing, where they can focus on the caller that's calling in and focus on getting resources to the emergency without logging in to 1,000 computers.
These are not questions of capability, they're questions of clarity, and defining the role is essential to making this work. The role of AI in 911 is taking shape, not in theory, not in isolation, but inside real 911 centers, alongside the people that are doing this work every day.
Things like just being able to summarize a call has worked really well for us, and we've got a call summary that uses AI insights to build the summary that can then be shared with first responders rolling out to the event. It's quite amazing because it captures some things in the background of conversations that sometimes you don't always hear in a call, because there's a lot that happens in a 911 call, but it could capture things in the background and it transcribes those.
The technology exists and the results are in. And the people doing this work every day, the telecommunicators, the directors, the trainers, they're ready. The next step is ensuring public safety understands how valuable this new technology can be. Because with it, we'll be ready when it matters most.